Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Queen Sanity, and today we're going to be doing this quick and easy, fluffy, only lasts for one day twist out. So this twist out is basically if you want to do something that's really fast. Let's say your hair stretch, someone called you, you have to go somewhere, like, hey girl, come to lunch. Oh, okay. And then you're like, oh my god, what am I going to do with my hair? This is that. This is not going to give you a whole bunch of days. It's just going to be pretty much a one day type fluffy twist out with shea butter so it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I had already just kind of stretched my hair using the stretch method for no heat, and there I'll post a video on how I do that as well. So I'm using my do-it-yourself shea butter. I have a link down for that as well down below, and I'm doing about medium parts. So I take about a quarter of the shea butter and pretty much just put it on my hair and combing out it's already soft, so you shouldn't have to like detangle too much. It's just combing it out so there's no kind of kinks in it when you're trying to do your twist. So I would say these are probably about medium twist. The back of my hair is my hair is weird. Like I have like 4 or 5 different textures in my hair. So the back of my hair has like a more straighter curl pattern, and then as it comes up to the front, it's just like a whole different type of pattern. I don't know what's going on. But I'm just going to go ahead and just put as much shea butter as I feel comfortable with, as far as like if my hair feels a little bit dry on the end. You know how it goes. Just put as much as you like, but not so much to where it's not going to dry, I guess. But shea butter doesn't really take long to dry in general. So if you put in that much, then you putting way too much. It's very light. It's very fluffy. It's creamy. So you don't need that much. So here's what it's looking like. It's not perfect, but it's just something to kind of get you by if you need to like run out the house. So basically, once you get done with all the twisting, you can go and take a shower, put your makeup on, and literally untwist your hair, and your hair will be twisted enough to last you for the day. And I like quick hairstyles like this because sometimes you just got to get up and go, and to have to do your hair for a very long time, sometimes it don't work. You understand? So here's my twist, and this is what my twists are looking like up close. They're not super wet. They're pretty dry actually, and they're really fluffy. And still you can see that moisture in them in the twist. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair down with my scarf here. So this is when take a shower, go do your makeup. It's my daughter. Hi. And then you come back and makeup's done, shower's done, and you just put a little bit of oil in your hair. And I'm just going to pin this up so I can take out all the little twists. And when I do take out the twists, I pretty much just go the opposite way, obviously, and just untwist it. And here's my twist there. Nothing too crazy. It's still, you see it has some dents in it, a little curl. Not very light, nothing that's going to stay too long. Like I said, like this is a day shea butter twist out. Like that's all you probably gonna get, maybe at the most 2. With my hair, I would probably just get a day, honestly. So here is when I'm just gonna keep taking all the twist out. There's the back for you guys to see. Now you can keep your hair like that, but I like to break mine down, and as you take out more of the twist, it's not going to last as long either, because it gets frizzier as you take down. So I was okay with that because I like really, really big hair. So I didn't mind it at all. And my hair was really soft too. There was no crust to it at all. It was just soft. I mean, I think you guys can kind of see it's just a very soft hold. I don't like too much stuff in my hair. I have low porosity hair, and it just weighs my hair down. So that's how I'm looking, guys. And I'm just going to fluff it out until I feel comfortable with the volume of it. I like big hair, so I want my volume to be on point. And I'm going to just keep fluffing, fluffing, fluffing. And I was good with that look. So here's some pictures of me. Like I said, very light hold. It's just how can I put this? It's a tamed fro. Okay, it's just it's me acting silly. A tamed fro, and here was it at the end of the dang old day. Look at my hair. Now the back was okay. I was okay, but that I told y'all, my hair is different textures all the way around. That front of that hair is just, ooh, girls. I don't know. It never acts right. It's just so fluffy. But I did cut off all the color in the front. So it's just kind of growing back and doing this thing. So, but I tried a couple different little ways to see if I can, make it look really cute. So let's say by the end of the day, you still need to run around just a tad bit more and your hair is looking like a fro and you want to kind of tame it. You can always do a quick little hairstyle like this where you just twist the top of it only halfway, because the full way was just, I didn't care for that. And you just twist it all the way down and you're going to just bobby pin it behind your hair. About 2 bobby pins is what I use just to pin it down. And then there you go. You have a cute little hairstyle where it doesn't look, it's natural, so it's your natural hair, but it's tamed, and putting a little bit of some shine and gem on your hair just helps them edges. And then you got you a cute little hairstyle that you can do in like an hour. Not bad. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some more quick videos. Thank you.